Welcome to Spoiled by Coco. Hi, I am Apurvi. Today we are making white peas Matar Kulcha by baking. It's a great snack item. You should definitely try it on. If you enjoy the video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let's begin. First, soak some white peas, that is Matra. They are easily available in the market or online. Soak them overnight. Let us make kulcha. For that, in a bowl, take warm milk. Add sugar in it and mix to dissolve. Then add yeast and give it a good mix. Keep it aside and let it bloom. The mixture should be frothy like this. If it is not frothy and bubbly, discard it and make it again. Then to this add refined flour, salt, it will control yeast activity, and curd, and give it a good mix. Add oil and mix. When it is somewhat combined, tip the flour on your kitchen counter and knead to form a soft dough. Add 1 tablespoon of milk at a time if the dough feels dry, or some flour if it is too sticky even after kneading for 5 minutes. You can also knead in your electric stand mixer or your handheld kneader. The quantity of liquid differs from flour to flour due to its grind size and quality of wheat used. After 10 minutes of kneading, dough should be soft. And keep for proofing. I am dusting flour. You can also use oil instead. Proof it until it doubles in size. Here I have overnight soaked white peas. Wash it with water until the water remains clear. Then we are going to boil them. Add water until the white peas are completely soaked and then boil. You can also boil in the pressure cooker till 4 to 5 whistles and then let it depressurize naturally. If you find it difficult to boil them, just add good pinch of baking soda. It is recommended as it will help in faster boiling of white peas. Our white peas have boiled well. I am going to strain all its liquid since we are using it as a stuffing and the liquid will make our dough soggy. Once done, transfer to a clean bowl and mash slightly. Season it with some spices. Add salt to taste, red chilli powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garam masala. Since I am using a homemade one and it's quite strong, I am only adding this much. You can also add onion if you eat it, and a whole lot of chopped coriander or cilantro. Mix everything together. Add lemon juice and mix it in. Finally, add cornflour. It will absorb excess liquid and help in binding. Mix it properly. Taste it and adjust the spices to your taste if required. Our dough have proofed well. Knead it for 2 to 3 minutes. The proofing time depends on your weather. If it's too hot like 40 degrees Celsius or somewhat, it might just take half an hour to proof your dough. So don't go by the time that I have to proof it for 1 to 2 hours. Just look at the size and the sign that it is proofed. Divide the dough into two. Keep one half aside covered to prevent drying out. While for other, first form a ball. Then dust the surface with flour. And using a rolling pin, roll it to an oblong shape. Transfer the dough to your baking tray and shape it. For that, first I am going to roll the side to form border. While for the top and the bottom part, I'll roll the dough inwards and pinch them in the center to give the dough a boat shape. Next, poke the dough only in the center so that it will not puff up while baking. Then generously fill it with prepared white peas mixture. Shape the other kulcha boat as well. Let it proof covered for second time for 10 to 15 minutes. Once proof, brush the edges with milk before baking them. Bake these in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 16 minutes. The baking time mentioned is only a reference range. It differs from oven to oven due to various factors, so I suggest you keep checking it. Our Matra kulcha boat has baked beautifully. Brush them with butter. Let them cool completely. For garnish, I am using quarters of cherry tomatoes. You can use diced onion and tomatoes. Sprig of coriander or cilantro. And a sprinkle of chaat masala. Serve it with sweet turmeric chutney and coriander chutney. Our baked white peas, Matra kulcha are ready to be served. Do try these at home and connect with me through comment section or other social media platform. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching Spoiled by Coco.